Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobelt, I'm breeder and founder of Lubera, and today I want to talk a little bit about our tests of open field tomato production. Here in Switzerland, in the valley of the Rhine, we have planted about 20-30 varieties which are known as resistant against diseases and pests outside, without any protection. Of course, we had a wonderful summer, as you had in UK too, and it was growing without any problems. But then in August, having rain and more humidity, the outbreak of pests, of late blight, of alternaria began, and so now we see big difference. All of these varieties are known as resistant and tolerant. Look at this one, it's just green. But look at this one, it's almost dead. So we have here now a good test. We see what is working, what is not working. And out of these tests, as a result, we can offer next year the best varieties, resistant tomato varieties for open field production without any protection in the world, in Europe, because we have tested here on 2 different locations in Switzerland and northern Germany. Here in Switzerland, the test is within our apple trees, so the humidity in the morning and in the evening is even higher. The leaves are wet, and though the infections of the pests, of the late blight and of the alternaria is even better, and so we see very clear which varieties are tolerant and resistant enough that they are worth to be grown in your garden. These are the way we are testing our tomato. This is the way we are testing our tomato varieties for your garden. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera Co. UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.